Expert system and artificial intelligence. In this video, we shall talk about the expert system, the flow of processes in an expert system, and artificial intelligence in brief. So, what is an expert system? Simply, an expert system is a system that behaves, advises, and helps a user like an actual expert does. Take, for example, the Central Processing Center, Bangalore. Previously, the return of income needed to be sent to the assessing officer's office. He would check the validity of return, process if the return is correct, and send a notice if there is any problem with the return. But now, the returns are uploaded to the CPC, which checks whether the return is valid or not, sends a notice by itself if there is any default in the return, and process the return if it is correct. This is what an expert system is. Some other examples include the game chess on PC, auto car driving and parking, medical diagnosis softwares, and so the flow of process in an expert system. The user. User is a person who requires the assistance of the expert. User interface. This is the device or software which records the input of the user. It may be a smartphone, a website-based software, or proprietary application software. Working storage provided by the user is stored in a working storage and processed by the system once the previous activities are processed. The inference engine, artificial intelligence. The AI is the brain of the system. It analyzes, calculates, and compares the data from the working storage with the data from the knowledge base. We will talk about knowledge base in a minute. Just like we have a brain since birth, but we still yearn for knowledge, the AI cannot make any calculations on its own without anything to compare the data with. This is where the knowledge base comes in. The knowledge base of domain experts. The valuable information provided by the experts is stored on the knowledge base. Knowledge base is a database of all calculations, rules, results, and explanations which help the system to compare the user's data with. Explanation facility. So, an expert system compares the data of working storage provided by the user with the knowledge base data provided by the experts. Any discrepancy it finds is then reported to the user as advice, help, or instruction by the explanation facility. This is practically the result of the user's query. Since the system consists of the knowledge of more than one expert and its calculations and interpretations are more accurate than a human expert, the system facilitates better calculation of information and gives accurate results than an actual human expert in many cases. That's it on expert system and AI. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment. Thank you very much.